Welcome to SQL video tutorials. Today's session I am going to explain about Oracle hints. Like if you are working in Oracle SQL or PL SQL, so this is the common thing you should know about while doing performance tuning. Like most of the developers or administrators or DBAs will be doing performance tunings for your queries, whatever you are writing queries and improving the performance. One thing we can use Oracle hints, so it will give a better performance when you are using the select queries. So here I'm listing a few Oracle hints, and there are more lists available, but I'm giving a few lists here, mainly frequently using Oracle hints. So let's start with how to use Oracle hint. Okay, then why we are using Oracle hints. Oracle hint means mainly server understandable thing, and when you are giving some hint, so Oracle will understand that hint and it will use a particular algorithm based on your hint. Then we are using Oracle hint. Here you can see it's like comments. Normally multi-line comments will be using, right? uh, forward slash star, then plus will be using additional. In between that you can use a number of hints, not only single hint, multiple hints we can use. Then ending star backward slash. So this is the way we can use Oracle hints in select query. Then let's start with one by one. So if you are looking for data, and the first rows, if you are looking for like first 10 rows or first 100 rows, we can use a hint called the first rows, and parameter n parameter we can pass number of rows here. Let's can verify this. Here you can see, okay, cardinality is showing only 10. Okay, because we are applying a first rows 10. Then you can run this. Here you can. Same thing, there is another thing called all rows. All rows means if you are looking for total rows from your table, and it will apply Oracle level best fast based optimizer. Like these all are fast based optimizer hints. So when you are using all rows means system will apply for particular algorithm to get all records from your table. So this hint we can use here, and if you look at this, you can see this. So it's a total records is facing 38 records. Okay, this is sample table. All records will be getting less than few seconds only. So then another index called no index. Okay, so if you are using some of the indexes and it is degrading your performance, so if you don't want to use those indexes, we can use one hint called no index and the table name, or you can use alias name if you have an alias name, space your index name, that is no index. Then specifically if you want to use some indexes, we can use, there is a index hint, we can use this. Okay, like this we can use. If you don't want to use index, you can use this. Okay, then it is going for hash, and here you can see. Then if you want to use index, here you can use this. Okay, so normally indexes will be applied if you are using any where class or filters. As of now I am not applied any where class. Okay, if you have a where class here, then you can get clarity on this. Here you can see range is star, and index name here you can see cardinality 5, and the cost is 1 now. Okay, so this is the way we can go for using indexes. And when you are using indexes, don't specify schema name dot table name. Okay, if you are using schema name dot table name, this hint won't be utilized. Okay, always use alias name, always use alias name, sorry, your table name comma your index name, or we can use alias name. Here I am using the table name, here I am using, here you can see alias name. So this is the way we can go for using. And there are other index related hints, that is and, equal, and index join. Okay, so when you are going for multiple indexes, you can use this and, equal. Okay, if you have a multiple indexes, you can use this and, equal. And then index join, like sorting, it will do when you have a indexes, it will do index join. And there is another called parallel index, like for index it will apply parallel, and the number of parallelism it will be applied. We have to specify here number, that is 8, or number you can specify depending on your server configuration. I'm specifying here 8. So when you are fetching the data, that index will be fetched with 8 parallel sessions, 8 parallel sessions. So this is in parallel index. Okay, and there is another hint called leading. So leading means when you are choosing multiple tables when you're in from class, so it will identify leading table, that is master table or main table. It will identify, it will do the order by. Okay, it will do the order by in from class tables, not order by exactly, but this is some sequence of order, your which is your driving table, which is your child table, like this. You have to specify table name or alias name for leading hint. So your optimizer will identify your leading table, then it will join and it will fetch the data. So that is leading hint. And there is another hint called cache and full. When you are looking full table scanning, then you can use this. Okay, and cache means, so last recent or recently used your query will be fetched from your cache, from your Oracle system, that hint called cache. Okay, last or recently used query will be fetched from cache, that is a hint called cache. And full, like multiple hints we can use, not only single hint, multiple hints we can use, like full hint I am using here.